So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this part in SolidWorks. So let's start. So when you see a geometry, first thing that arises in your mind, how to approach this, how to make this part. Okay. So let's see. So if I look closely, I can see that the thickness is 12 mm is constant throughout. Okay. So I can use some tricks here to make it quickly. So let's see. For example, suppose I click on the front plane, click on sketch. After that, here you can see it is a L shape and there's a little bit down here as well. So click on here, draw the line as I'm showing, press escape. Now it is 62 mm and this one is 62 plus 12. What I'm basically doing, I'm making from this line to this line, okay? So this one is 62 plus 12. Now go to features, click on extrude boss base. Now before I move further, if you want to learn SolidWorks, check out the free, remember it is free course for SolidWorks beginner to advanced, link in description, so you can check out there. So just go to the mid plane and give it a thickness of 125 mm. My question arises, why I'm using mid plane? The reason is that you see this part. Okay, so I can easily make this on my front plane. If I don't use mid plane, I have to create a separate plane just to make this geometry. So it's obviously a waste of time for me. So why the hell am I supposed to do it? So click OK. Now, so I have made this L shape and I need to give some radius. So the fillet is 10 mm. Select this and this. The fillet is radius 10 mm. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle. The radius or diameter is 12 mm. As you can see, two holes of dia 12. Distance from here to here is 20 mm, and distance from top to is 30 mm. 20, 30. Oh, sorry, this one is from bottom one. So my bad. 30 mm. As you can see, it is 30 from the below. Similarly, I have to create another circle, diameter 12 mm, 20, and this one is 30. And go to features, click on extrude cut, click on through all, click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. I need to create this, so draw a circle, 15 mm, 15, 15. Features, extrude cut, through all, click OK. Now to make this part, what I can simply do is simply select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 and draw my sketch. So draw the line as I'm showing. The angle is 30 degree. And go to features, mid plane, 12 mm, See, I make it quite easily. Now I have to make this little one, and these two things. Okay. So let's see. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Simply click on corner rectangle, center line, escape, 12 mm, 10 mm. Uh, sorry, cancel. 15 mm, and click on mirror entities. Click OK. Sorry, we need to click on extrude. Click on up to surface. Before I apply up to surface, I need to do one more thing. I doesn't make this one, so I need to make this one first. Okay, so exit the sketch, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So this one is 12 mm, 12 mm, extrude, up to surface, click OK. Now here you will notice something. Now if I click on here and exit the sketch and go to feature extrude, you will notice that whatever I have made early, it is not here. So what I supposed to do here, what you can simply do is simply click on right click on your bow extrude and drag it upwards. Okay. Now if I click on sketch and edit, go to features extrude, you can see this one is showing. Now click on up to surface, select this, click OK. So I have made this part. As you can see, it's quite easy. So I hope you learned something from this video. And again, check out the free course link in description. It is totally free. You can learn a lot of things. It is a 5-hour course with including 4 projects. So I highly recommend check out the course link in descriptions. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.